Welcome to LearnWire. In this quick video, I want to explain what Sumo Day is and what applications are available this year in 2022 for Appsumo's biggest 4-day sale of the year. So this is a time where Appsumo will bring on a bunch of new products all at once. They usually get a few products every day that launch on the platform, but for Sumo Day, they try to make it big. They plan this out. And I counted at least 15 applications that they are bringing to the table on the platform. I want to go over some of them and then tell you which one I think is the absolute best one that you need to pick up. So Appsumo launches this. Of course, they have sales during the holidays and things like that. They have run different sales throughout the year, but Sumo Day is their big one that they've kind of coined their own phrase, Sumo Day. So this is their big sale of the year. Anything with lifetime deal software, this is their biggest sale of the year. They usually hold it in the middle of the summertime each year. This is my first time as an affiliate being a part of Appsumo, so I wanted to get a video out. It actually started on July 11th, and you can see right here it ends on July 15th. So you still have a few more days to make your purchases. And what you're going to do is you're going to be able to save an additional 10% off of these products, right? It has to be a Sumo Day product that is labeled as a unique Sumo Day. So I actually clicked on that, all Sumo Day products. Can't miss products just for you. It's all eyes on Sumo Day while we pick the best products to start the next leg of your journey with. Look out for limited time offers, too good to pass up, or that one tool you've been waiting to snag up with an extra 10% off. So if you are an Appsumo Plus member, you'll get 10% off, and then I believe you'll get an additional 10% off of these specific 15. I'm counting 4, 8, 12. Oh wait, those ones are not it. Sorry. Come back and click over here and scroll down. You'll see Sumo Day faves, and I'll say view all right here. So these are all specifically their exclusive products that are Sumo Day products. And there's 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, 15. All these products, there might be a couple of them, like Melon has been on the platform before, so it doesn't necessarily mean that it's a brand new product that has hit Appsumo for the first time ever. But a lot of these are brand new that have never been on. And so I just wanted to kind of explain what Appsumo Day was. And so you, like I said, I believe if you're a Sumo Plus, an Appsumo member, you're automatically going to save the 10% off anytime you make a purchase right throughout the year, which is great. And then because if it's a Sumo Day product, you'll get an additional 10% off. So you'll save 20% off these lifetime deal softwares, right? And so when we look over here, obviously there's some really good ones. We can go through here, like this one right here. If you're looking for a coaching type program to launch your course on, and to do consulting and just having a coaching program. So this is going to be more like the teaching type platform. UpCoach would be a good one to look at, right? I'm going to come back and talk about synthesis in a minute. Okay. This one right here is a scraping application, Browse AI. And look at, they're getting really good reviews. You can see the ones that have already been on the platform before. This Snipply, this is a chance for you to pick it up at a really good price. Looks like they just came back, and they have 233 5-star reviews. So that one might be a really good one. You're able to add clickable call to actions to web pages and retarget users with powerful links. We're going to keep scrolling through here. Some of these you can tell are new, right? If they only have a couple of reviews, that means that they are brand new for the platform. Transcribe, record, and analyze your online meetings. This one, I think, would be something definitely worth looking at. I'm going to open that one up real quick because the transcription software is very popular on Appsumo. And, I pay monthly for Descript. And if I could find one that does what the Descript does, then that would be a really good and it says it's an alternative to Otter or Loom, and then you can go watch the video and stuff, right? But it looks like they also have a screen recorder and note taker. So this is definitely one that I'm going to be taking a look at for my business as well, because if I could transcribe each video and do some basic editing, then that would be really, really good, even for my YouTube videos, right? So far, just looking at this, it does look pretty darn cool. And let's see what we're going to get in here. You get the screen recorder, you get the transcription, 95+% transcription accuracy in 70 different languages, speaker identification, Chrome extension, all kinds of good stuff. Looks like there's an Android app as well. So yes, 20 hours of transcription per month. This is one of those ones where you'd probably want to get the license tier 3. I mean, calculate how many videos you actually put out. But for a full-time YouTuber like myself that runs multiple YouTube channels, I'm usually looking at, I mean, I would probably want this license tier 3. Now, what do you get for tier 4? They're giving you a single sign-on. You're getting 5 licenses. So, okay, so it's the licenses. So I would only need license tier 3. I'm not using a team or anything to do that. So I would get this one and have unlimited. It'll just transcribe everything. So that's really, really cool. It's getting good reviews. So that one's definitely, just by looking at this and with my software knowledge, I would say that this is definitely going to be a popular one. Let's see this typed right here, supercharge your productivity with a tool that automatically organizes your files. That looks interesting, something to look at as well. There's actually a crypto trading smart platform right here. Has a 1-star rating so far, just based on one review, but that might be something if you're into crypto. This is your chance to get Melon. And it's basically you're able to replace, what is it, StreamYard. You're able to stream to multiple platforms, YouTube and Twitch and Facebook and others, all at the same time. And so if you're into live streams, then this is your chance to pick up Melon at a really good price and get their LTD. Okay, so then if you want to build mobile apps, right here, Andromo is an app for that. And then finally, Fast Pages is another one that I probably would recommend. Now, I haven't done a review on it or anything like that, but definitely if you're into sales funnel or affiliate marketing or selling a product online, or especially digital products or anything like that, this will link up to Stripe payment processors. It'll sync up to your email provider, and then you're able to build sales funnels and sales pages really, really well. So if you're selling products on different platforms, Fast Pages is definitely the way to go. So just as far as like uniqueness, this right here, Nuta and Fast Pages really stand out to me. And then I want to end, and then probably Upcoach. But then I want to end by talking about Synthesis, okay, guys? So Synthesis is not a new software, but it looks like it's brand new to Appsumo. Now, Synthesis is a software that was launched, I believe it was actually launched on like Warrior Plus or JVZoo. I want to say a couple years ago. Let me go see if I can find the video, because I actually did an affiliate video right here, and I did really well with the launch. And I can tell you right now that I'm going to go and click on Synthesis. We're going to click on it and take a look at it, but it's starting at $69. You can create multilingual AI-powered videos and voiceovers using human voices. We're gonna go check out the site real quick. I'm gonna end up picking this up immediately. I already know the value of this, so I'm gonna go pick it up, because there are a lot of auto text-to-speech softwares that have hit Appsumo, and there's a lot of them out there, and none of them, there's only one other one that is good, but it's very, very expensive. It's called Well Said Labs. Okay, so Well Said Labs is very pricey, and they have very human sounding voiceovers, but you have to pay monthly. There's no LTD and anything like that. So Synthesis I would put it right up there with Well Said Labs with the quality. I'm going to show you the quality. You'll be blown away. And so Synthesis, I already have knowledge of this software. Like I said, I will go and pick up a lifetime deal to this, no problem. They have 300+ realistic voices, and I don't know how they actually are pulling that off, because this is not like your typical one. This actually has a lot of real human sounding voiceovers. So you can go check out the video, and some of these are the original ones that even from a couple years ago that they had on the platform. Now this is the user interface is very much like Well Said Labs, and you can just kind of scroll through here. But then they also added humanitars, and you can build videos. I'm more interested in the voiceovers that you're able to create with this, but also they have humanitars as well. And so really, when you come down here and look at this, you can get 30 videos a month. This is a really steal of a deal. Absolutely wouldn't steer you in the wrong direction, but this is definitely worth it. Now, if I was going to pick this up, I would just go ahead and invest the $179 and have your voiceovers ready, your auto-generated voiceovers, and you get unlimited. This is unbelievable that they're doing this, because I remember to get this this type thing of right here 2 years ago when the software first came out, this was a $500. So this was like a $500 plan all in to get this when they launched. So they must have done really, really well, and they're able to bring down their costs significantly because they have enough paid members. And so this is definitely a software that's been around for a couple years and is most likely here to stay. Okay, here we go. I wanted to see if I could actually find my video. This software, as you can see, is very popular. A lot of reviews have been done on the software. But if we come down over here, you'll see this video I put out. It was a year ago, but we could actually see that it was more than, it was closer to 2 years ago, right? Hasn't been quite 2 years, or this would flip to 2 years. But this is my video on my other channel. And I got almost 3,000 views. I had a really big launch, and I sold several $500 tickets on this. So it's a really good software. That's all I can say. Here's one of my video reviews. You could check it out from back when they first started. And of course, the software has been developed even further now that it's been a couple years now. So this is absolutely 100% just a steal right here at $179. I would expect this to, they're saying $3,000, but I would literally expect like an unlimited tier on this for voiceover generation that is human sounding. To be like around the $500 mark, maybe even $800 mark right here. So this is absolutely a good deal. Let's go check out the site real quick. So here's actually a demo of someone that left a review. Here's their roadmap actually. So they're actually looking at, they're already doing it in process where you can make your own voice clone, which that is super cool. The sentiments on synthesis audio, new humanitars, 2K high definition. That's really cool. And then you can just see all these other things, hand and arm movements. Like I said, I'm not real big on the humanitar thing, but that is the direction that they've kind of gone. But their base foundation is the audio, and it always was. When they first started off, it was just audio, AI, text-to-speech engine, right? So we can come through here, and obviously we will go and look at the audio, which is my favorite thing about it. We can go and hear their voices and check this out. That's pretty awesome. That sounds like you hired somebody, a real voiceover artist, to do that sales pitch for you. Super awesome stuff. Here's another one, a lot more softer. It would be really good for an audiobook or something like that. Now check this out.
Well, you see, there she returned, and said no more, for she did not want to bring up the subject of their strife, lest her nurse should offer to go before she had had her grandmother's permission to bring her. Of course she could refuse to take her, but then she would believe her less than ever.
100% human sounding, really, really amazing. I will be picking this up immediately. Obviously, they have a bunch. Some of them are better than others, or they have different uses. So there's that one, and then there's another one right here. Right. So this is just a sample. They have a lot more. This is only 9 people. All right. So let's go back up to the video, and what you would do is we could look at some different examples. I want to see where this one is, because this does not, this seems like a human voiceover. If they actually have this voice inside of here, this is worth the membership just in itself, because look at how human sounding this voice is. And this video right here is artificial intelligence technology. You can create YouTube channels and do all kinds of different things just using their technology. Check this out. So I don't know if that's actually a real human voiceover, but they synced it in, but then you can still sync it with an AI, which is absolutely really cool, to put a face to your voice. Or if that's actually one of the voices in there. Like I said, it's the most human sounding that I have seen. But even some of these are really, really neat right here. Like this one.
That was a close one. You almost lost the Oculus X ordering card. With Oculus, we're creating new ways for people to defy distance through virtual.
Just think about it. These videos are going to be way better and way more engaging, even if it is 95% human and there's just a little bit of a robotic element to it. It's still people are still gonna watch these videos because they're more engaging and they're interesting than just the text or the slides with robotic voices anyways, right? Which people are doing. So you're going to get better text to speech sounding, human sounding, and then you're also you're getting the live, the live aspect, right?
In this video, I'm going to walk you through Human Synthesis Studio and show you how to create a video using this amazing tool. Once you log into your
See, you can do tutorial videos and have someone right there. She's teaching you how to use the software. You can use this for training videos for your business or your company right here.
We will talk about the benefits of cycling. Number 1, weight management, cycling habitually.
So now you, instead of just looking at a slide with a picture, you actually have somebody talking to you, which just brings a little bit more of an engagement factor, and you'll probably get a higher engaged audience, right? So really cool stuff. This one is definitely this is I guess like a half review, if you want to call it. I will pick this software up and do a full review again, an updated review for everybody. But like I said, I definitely recommend, my top recommendation for a Sumo Day, Appsumo 2022 is Synthesis. Super awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to give you guys an update on all the different softwares that are hitting. And like I said, you can save an extra 10% if you buy any of these softwares over the next few days until July 15th. And I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video.